Okay. I'm gonna try again to float this little rock. I just did it, but I wanna get a better footage shot of the whole thing of it. Going into the foil. See, this is what I do. I put it in the foil. I wrap it up so it's actually secure, because when it starts getting banged around by the sound, it really starts to get pulled apart. So let's see it get wrapped up all in one take. Wrapped up, it's set down here. I'm gonna grab the drum now. No edits or anything. Okay, clearly this is what happened the very first time I tried. This was the first thing that happened, was it went up into the drum and it got banged around and the foil was enough to pull it up and the rock was lifted and then it fell. It couldn't have fallen if it didn't get lifted up. So obviously it lifted up and levitated this rock. So there we go. I moved a rock with the sound. It's a small rock, but it's a rock. So, now how does this relate to the pyramids? That's a whole nother story. They used sounds in a whole different way. They didn't use drums over foil. That would be ridiculous. But I'm gonna try to float this little rock, and all it takes is this little bit of foil here. Wrap it up nicely in the foil so it doesn't escape. Make a nice shape here. And then take the drum